Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about, can bankruptcy remove judgments? This is a really good blog because the technical answer is no, it cannot remove judgments. Now, look, here's how this works. When you file a bankruptcy, of course, we list judgment creditors on the bankruptcy. And if the underlying debt is dischargeable, say it's credit card debt, say it's a medical debt, say it's an unsecured loan, yes, it gets discharged in the bankruptcy. Your liability on the judgment goes away. But when we say, can bankruptcy remove judgments from the public record, the answer is no. Bankruptcy in and of itself does not reach into state courts and remove judgments from the public record. There is a separate process to go and do that. Now, as part of our process with our clients here at Lifeback, we do this for you automatically. Most law firms don't, by the way. Most bankruptcy law firms are not going to, when the bankruptcy is done, automatically remove these judgments from the public record. Now, they'll do it a lot of times if they'll charge you a fee. And I've heard some pretty large fees over the years to remove judgments. For Lifeback Law Firm, as part of our 90-day credit repair program, we remove judgments from the public record for cost. And I think it's typically around $45. So for around $45, we remove the judgments from the public record. So it's a two-step process. Your liability for the judgment goes away with the bankruptcy discharge, but there's no little man that erases or woman that erases the public record. You have to go through that extra step when the time is right. When you're ready to get your life back, reach out to Minnesota's most kind and helpful bankruptcy law firm right here at Lifeback Law Firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.